guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite hair oil which I've been using for a while now, and I thought of sharing with you about the same. So without any further delay, let me just start into the video. And the first hair oil I'm going to talk about is from the brand Parachute. I know Parachute doesn't need any kind of introduction. This is one of the best hair oil in the market from ages, and this one I'm using is aloe vera enriched coconut hair oil, and it says it makes your hair stronger, softer and silkier. So I've been using this for a while. It comes in I think two or three sizes. I got a smaller size because I wanted to try the smaller size first. I have many oil guys, so I keep buying oil and just keep testing on my hair how it works on my hair, and so I thought of trying this one. So I had a bigger size in the other range of Parachute, the normal blue bottle, you know, that normal original coconut oil, that one I used to use. And then I thought of trying this one because when it was over, and I thought of trying this one. So it has a very mild smell and coconut smell which goes off after some time, but it makes my hair smooth. It makes my hair smooth and stronger, and I really like the overall result on my hair. I usually use it before taking head shower. I apply for 1 or 1.5 hours and then wash it off, and it doesn't leave any kind of oil or grease in my scalp. When you wash with shampoo, you need to wash it at least 2 times, and then it removes all the oil from the hair, and my hair is soft and smooth after the application and after hair washing this oil. So this is Parachute, and the second one I'm gonna talk about is from the brand Elf's Goodness. I got this from Purple. This is how the packaging looks like, and this is their Amla and Mulethi, and it is for split and control herbal hair oil, and this is 200 ml quantity, and I think this is for I don't know what's the price of this. I think it's for 199 rupees. So 199 rupees. Is a very nice amla smell, and even this oil is really good oil. I really like it. Amla hair oil is really good for hair, you know that. And you can see it has all the roots and the amla roots and mulethi inside this, you can see. And it's really, I just have to shake it well before applying, because all the roots and all the other mulethi and other ingredients are inside this bottle. You just have to mix it well, and then you have to use it. Even this I use it once a week, and I keep changing my hair oil. In a week I apply at least 2 times hair oil on my hair. So I keep changing. One week I'll use this, other week I'll use another oil. So I keep changing my hair oil. So this is one of them. I really like this. It has a very nice smell. The packaging is good. It comes in a transparent black plastic bottle like this. Very travel friendly, very nice, and it's really good. It says it's natural conditioner, hydrating in nature, and control split. I don't have split end, but I usually color my hair, and I have hair fall problem because of my deficiency in my body. So I have to take care of my hair a lot. I need to do hair masking, I need to apply the hair oil, and I need to take supplement for my deficiency. So I have to take care of my hair. So I'm not saying that using hair oil will stop your hair fall or something. No, it won't. It's because of your deficiency in the body. Hair fall happens because of the stress, because of the hormonal change in the body. There are many reasons for hair fall. So hair oil basically nourishes your hair. It makes your hair soft and smooth, and it takes care of your hair overall. Externally, internally you have to eat properly, have proper healthy food, nourishment food, which will take care of your overall need of the body. But I have deficiency in my body, like iron deficiency. Because of that I tend to have hair fall problems. So none of the oils which I'm going to talk about today had helped me for the hair fall, to stop the hair fall, but it really helps my hair to be nourished, and it makes my hair soft and smooth and silky. So this is the second one. This is Elf's Goodness, Amla and Mulethi. So the next one I'm going to talk about is from the brand Dabur Amla, and this is one of the very old hair oil in the market. And this is Dabur Amla hair oil. It says it benefits stronger, longer, thicker hair, and it has very strong amla smell. Even after hair wash, I still can feel that smell of that amla hair oil in my hair, and it's very strong, and the color is, you can see, dark greenish. And I usually apply this also before taking shower, 1 hour before taking shower, and I really don't know much about the claims that it makes your hair stronger or something, but I really like the overall I feel my hair becomes a little soft and it's manageable. So I really like this one. I have no big expectations that any of the hair oil will stop my hair fall or it will make my hair thicker or stronger. No, I just apply for nourishment. So yeah, I like this one. I don't want to talk too much about hair oil, but I just wanted to give you this basic idea that people claim that hair oil will make your hair stronger, will make your hair fall stop, will make your hair growth, all that. But I really don't know about that. But I like using hair oil on daily basis. Whenever I wash my hair, I see to it I apply at least a mask or hair oil, so that it nourishes my hair and makes soft and smooth, because I usually keep coloring my hair are chemically treated, so I need to balance that thing, and so I need a good hair oil, so I keep using hair oil. So okay, this was Amla hair oil from the brand Dabur. The next one, even this one is really famous. This is Bajaj almond drops, and this one is their new version, I guess. This is cool almond drops, and this is non-sticky. The original one was normal almond drops, and the packaging of this bottle is a glass bottle with a red cap, and it has very beautiful almond smell. But the one I like, the first range is the normal same packaging, but the cap of that almond oil is I think brownish. Yeah, so this one I wanted to try out because it says cool, so when you apply it, you feel little coolness in your hair, on your scalp for a few minutes, and then after that it's back to normal. So I really like this almond Bajaj oil, because almond oil is really good for hair. So I've been using this for a while and I really love this oil. The next one I'm going to talk about is from the brand Hair Sanjeevani. I've done a detailed review of this hair oil. You can find it on my website as well as on YouTube. And this was given by the brand, and this is an Ayurvedic oil, and it has no parabens, it has no mineral oils, no sulfate. It claims it stops hair fall, it stimulates new hair growth, removes dandruff, check premature graying and all that. So I've been using this for a while and really like this oil. It makes my hair soft and smooth, and other things like I told you already, I really can't claim any oil which can help stop hair fall. So I really can't talk about that. It says prevent graying and all. I have few gray hair, but I don't see any other major difference in my hair. But I really like the overall hair oil, and I not love, but I recommend this hair oil if you really can afford it. And it has all natural ingredients like bringraj and amla, sandalwood, and with red onion, vitamin E, shea butter, argan oil, which is really good for hair. So this has all good ingredients, so I can definitely recommend this hair oil for you guys. If you really want one oil which has all the good ingredients, is really one good one. This is Hair Sanjeevani. So the next oil I'm going to talk about is this is Indulekha Bringraj oil. Sorry for the not clean properly, but this is really a good hair oil, and it's also a very medicinal Ayurvedic oil, and it has really good ingredients, guys. It comes with a brush like this. You just have to apply it on your hair like this. You don't have to actually take in your hand like this and then massage it and all. You just have to put it with the brush. You just have to massage it on your scalp, and you just have to massage for a minute or two, and you're good to go. So this has also very good medicinal properties, and it's one of the fast moving hair oil in the market, and many people have literally claimed that this has stopped their hair fall, and it made their hair stronger and thicker. And it's really good, and it's not very expensive. You get different sizes in this as well, so you can give it a try. I really like the overall result on my hair. The next one is from the brand Nature Soof. This is Jonk Tail or Leech Oil. This was sent by the brand, but my reviews are honest, so I am not gonna brag anything about any brand. So this is basically for people who have dandruff and all, and dandruff and hair fall problem and all. But I just use it as I told you, just to test how it works. So it has a very strong smell, guys, very strong, and I really don't like the smell of this hair oil. I really can't tolerate the smell. It's very strong smell. but it's really good hair oil. Leech oil is really good for hair, people with hair loss problem and who have balding problem. But I really can't talk much about that because I don't have touchwood any problem like that, so I really can't talk about that. But it's really a good hair oil. It's affordable and you can give it a try if you really want to. And the last hair oil I want to talk about is, this is from the brand Iraya. This is pure Ayurvedic. This is expensive, I guess. Sorry, not expensive, it's 200 rupees, sorry. And this is also Ayurvedic hair oil. It says it fights hair fall, helps clear dandruff, and even this has good ingredients like coconut oil, rice bran oil, neem leaves, and hirda and all that, rosemary and all that. So even this is a good hair oil. I like the hair oil because I like the packaging. It's very travel friendly and it's basically Ayurvedic as well. I like using Ayurvedic oil on my hair, so I really like this one. And yeah, so these were my 7-8 hair oil which I've been using for months now. I really like these oils, and I also recommend if you really want to try this hair oil for yourself. So have you tried any of this oil? Do let me know in the comments, and also let me know any of your favorite hair oil which you think I should try it out. And I'll be very happy to read your comments about your best hair oil which really works for your hair and which is actually helping for your hair growth and taking care of your hair overall. And in case if that hair oil is really making your hair fall stop really good, so please do share with me in the comments, and let me know which is your favorite hair oil and which hair oil you have used among the one I have mentioned today. And yeah, so this was my favorite hair oil for my daily hair care routine, and I hope you like the video. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care, bye, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, don't forget to give a like and share with your friend and family. And I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care, bye.